Hello friends, you are not old. You can be old in your mind to do creative things. Don't think you're too old to do nice things. Don't think you're too old to show forth your glory, to show forth your honor, to show forth your talent, to show forth your credibility. Don't think you're too old to start again. Don't limit yourself by your thought. Don't limit yourself by those people who are around you. Don't limit yourself because of what people will say, and don't limit yourself because of what you yourself may have felt about yourself. You may have felt inferior, felt not useful, felt weak, felt you're not meeting up with the purpose of God for your life. But that is not true. You're still a vessel in the hands of God to create a big difference that the world is yet to know. You're still that sword in the hands of the Lord that will cut through the nations. You're still the hammer in the hands of the Lord that will make a big difference in the world.